Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add members to a card in the Trello app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Trello app, and here it opens up in the boards, where we have our boards based on the workspaces that we have. From here we just have to go into one. Then we have to select a card from a list that we want to edit. And here, if you scroll down, we find the members. We can tap on it. And here we can check who's a member of the card. If we want to add someone, we can just tap on the top right corner and tap on share card link. And just send the link that we get to the person that we want to add to the card. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.